bonjour. An interesting video about expressions in French requiring the word en. And we are going to see that it's not that easy actually. There is a rule. The rule is that one. The word en usually is a pronoun. So replaces a noun, and this noun needs to be behind after the word de in French. So for example, if we have this sentence, je veux de l'eau, eau is our noun, it's just after the preposition de. So if we want now to use a pronoun to replace eau and to say I want it, it is the pronoun instead of water. In French, we are going to use the pronoun en and say j'en veux. So j'en veux means I want it, and en is for eau, because here eau is just after the preposition de. That's the rule. But unfortunately, it's not always as simple to understand how to use it. So in this video, we are going to see some expressions you need to learn actually. For example, je n'en sais rien, je m'en fiche, ne t'en fais pas, j'en suis sûr, il t'en veut, en avez-vous un? Because sometimes the word en comes and we don't know exactly where from. But it's like that. So we are going to see first how to translate I know nothing about it. I know nothing about it in French is comment va Paul? How is Paul? Comment va Paul? And you want to say that you don't know. Je n'en sais rien. Je n'en sais rien. Here it's the way you can say have know nothing about it. And en is the translation of about it. Je n'en sais rien. Or when we speak, you can just say j'en sais rien. And it's very common to use this expression. J'en sais rien? Ah non. You could say je ne sais pas, but j'en sais rien is common. A second expression, I don't care. How can you say I don't care in French? Well, here, tu veux celle-ci ou celle-là. So you want this one or that one. And because you don't care, so you can say je m'en fiche. Je m'en fiche. And you can add je m'en fiche pas mal. Je m'en fiche pas mal. So quite a lot. Or je m'en fiche complètement. Completely. Je m'en fiche complètement, je m'en fiche pas mal. Here, what we can say to try to give an explanation is the verb is se ficher de quelque chose. Se fiche de quelque chose. Il se fiche de quelque chose. So here you can see the word, the preposition de. That's why we use en in this expression. But it's better to learn it. Je m'en fiche. Because it's very common to say that. What the translation of I don't care is je m'en fiche. You can't say je me fiche this way. No, it's not correct French because the sentence is not finished if you say that. So je m'en fiche is correct French and common. I'm fed up. I'm fed up. Comment ça va? Comment ça va? Oh, j'en ai marre. I'm fed up. J'en ai marre. Again, here we've got our word en. J'en ai marre. J'en ai marre means I'm fed up. J'en ai marre. J'en ai complètement marre. Another one, I have had enough. I have had enough. Tu as l'air fatigué. You look tired. Tu as l'air fatigué. And he says, je n'en peux plus. I have had enough. Je n'en peux plus, or again, when you speak, you're not obliged to use the first part of the negation, so the in apostrophe, and you can just say j'en peux plus. J'en peux plus, j'en peux plus, je suis fatigué, j'en peux plus. Okay? I'm absolutely sure. I'm absolutely sure. Tu en es sûr? Tu en es sûr? So, are you sure of it? So, tu en es sûr, ou t'en es sûr, Oui, j'en suis sûr et certain. J'en suis sûr et certain. T'en es sûr? Oui, oui, j'en suis sûr et certain. And j'en suis sûr et certain, well, it's an expression too, so you can learn it when you're really sure of something. You can say oui, j'en suis sûr et certain. If you are a girl, j'en suis sûre et certaine. With a final E. Would you like one? Well, en voulez-vous un? So here we've got en at the beginning. En voulez-vous un? Because it's a question. So it's the way, for example, here you have some candies and he say, en voulez-vous un? J'en veux deux. So you want two. But here again, even if you can't hear it in English, in French you need the word en. J'en veux deux. En voulez-vous un? Oui, j'en veux deux, j'en veux trois, j'en veux quatre. But you need j'en veux. Don't worry. How do you say that? Don't worry. Ça ira? Ça ira? Will it be okay? And we can say ne t'en fais pas. Don't worry. Ne t'en fais pas. It's again an expression you need to learn. Ne t'en fais pas or just t'en fais pas. T'en fais pas, ça ira. Oui, oui, ça ira. T'en fais pas. Ne t'en fais pas. Okay? To be angry about someone, how can you express that? For example, on the phone, this guy is saying « Il m'a appelé et il t'en veut. Il m'a appelé et il t'en veut. » And she says « Non, sérieux, il m'en veut toujours. » And here the expression is en vouloir, and en vouloir means to be angry about someone. So you need to learn, of course, this verb, en vouloir. Il m'a appelé, he called me, et il t'en veut, and he's still angry about you. And the answer is non, sérieux? Non, really? Il m'en veut toujours. Okay? To get by. To get by, how to translate that? To get by. Tu savais qu'il était malade? Do you know so he was ill? Tu savais qu'il était malade? Oui, mais il va s'en sortir. Il va s'en sortir. And s'en sortir is to get by. Oui, mais il va s'en sortir. Again here, it's also an expression you need to learn. Tu savais qu'il était malade? Oui, mais il va s'en sortir. To want to win. To want to win. Il va réussir car il en veut vraiment. Il en veut vraiment. Here the expression is en vouloir. So pay attention. We have the expression en vouloir à quelqu'un and the meaning is to be angry about someone. But here en vouloir is you want to win. Il en veut vraiment. C'est vrai, c'est quelqu'un qui en veut. C'est quelqu'un qui en veut. Ok? To want to win, en vouloir. More expressions now we are going to see to finish this video. For example, j'en ai assez vu. J'en ai assez vu means I have seen enough of something, of it. So j'en ai assez vu. J'en ai assez vu, je m'en vais. I have seen enough, I'm leaving. En avez-vous un? En avez-vous un? It's the translation of have you got one? So you can't say avez-vous un? It's not French to translate have you got one? You need en in this question. En avez-vous un or en avez-vous deux or just en avez-vous? Have you got some? En avez-vous? Je t'en parlerai demain. Je t'en parlerai demain. So I will talk to you about that tomorrow. And here en is about that. Je t'en parlerai demain. Okay? So please watch again this video because it's going to be very useful to learn this expression using the small word en because we use it a lot in French and as you can see sometimes it's like an idiomatic expression and you need to learn it if you want to use it correctly. Ok? Allez, c'est fini maintenant. Alors salut, merci d'avoir suivi cette vidéo. Je vous dis au revoir et bon français.